Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my gosh. Hey, what's going on everybody? Davin here helping you play creatively. Today we are going to look at a 2-5-1 substitution. Now, we're gonna look at this substitution where we're gonna substitute, I've said substitute already too many times, but we are substituting the 5 chord for a sharp 5. Yes, that's exactly what we're gonna do. All right, so what's going on here? So normally we would play a 2-5-1 progression starting off like this. We're gonna do this in the key of C, where D minor 7 is our 2. It's the second scale degree within the C major scale, all right? And then G dominant 7 is our 5, okay? And then we have C major 7, which is our 1, all right? So 2, 5, 1, okay? All right. What I like to do when I play a lot of songs is substitute that 5 chord for a sharp 5 chord. So you end up with something like this. I like that. Okay, so first off, let's look at this in another key, okay? Let's look at this in the key of F, okay? So F major, we're gonna go to our 2 of F major, which would be G minor 7, okay? We're gonna go to our 5 of F major, which is gonna be a C dominant 7, and then we're gonna go to our 1 of F major 7, okay? Now in F major, we would substitute the C dominant 7 for a sharp 5. Now, the sharp 5 here is going to be C sharp diminish, okay? And really is a C sharp full diminish or C sharp half diminish 7. And for C major, it was the 5 would be G dominant 7, so it'd be G sharp diminish, full diminish, or diminish 7, okay? So G minor 7, C sharp diminish 7, 10 F major 7, okay? That's a 2 sharp 5 1. Now, what's the point in learning this if we don't know how to apply it in a song, okay? So let's take the song What a Friend We Have in Jesus, and how would we apply it for this song, okay? Well, let's play What a Friend We Have in Jesus in the key of C so we can see everything clearly. That was interesting. Played in the key of C so we can see everything clearly. All right. So in the beginning of, for What a Friend We Have in Jesus, I would play it like this. What a friend we have in Jesus. Okay, so what's going on there is I'm playing the 2-5-1 of F major to get me to F, right? So, what a friend we have in Jesus. I'm going to go ahead and add the G minor 7, C dominant 7 to F as my passing chords, right? So, what a friend we have in Jesus. Now, I'm going to apply this substitution in there. What a friend we have in Jesus. All right? So, I think it's great. Now, let's look at it in another song. Let's look at it for 10,000 Reasons. For 10,000 Reasons, we have Bless the Lord, oh my soul. So what's really going on there is an F to a B flat. So bless the Lord, oh my soul. So let's go ahead and first add the 2-5-1 getting us to B flat, which would be C minor 7. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and make it a C minor 6. It's still the 2 of B flat, but we're keeping that, we want that A there for the melody's sake, all right? So bless the, now we're playing the 5 of B flat, So that gives us F dominant 7. Then we got B flat. B flat is going to be our 1, right? Our secondary 1. Lord, oh my soul. Okay, now let's go ahead and add the substitution. Remember, what are we substituting? We are substituting the 5 chord for a sharp 5 chord. And that gives us, in this case, F sharp diminish, okay? F sharp diminish, full diminish, diminish 7. Okay. All right, so, bless the Lord, oh my soul. All right, let's do it for one more song. Okay, we're gonna do this in the key of D flat. So I hope you're understanding where things are coming from, because now I'm gonna move more quickly. When peace like a river. All right, C sharp to F. Let's go ahead and add the F sharp. Let's go ahead and add the 2-5-1 of F sharp G flat, right? So 2-5-1 of F sharp G flat is. So when peace like a river. Now let's go ahead and add that substitution. What are we substituting in this case? C sharp D flat, right? And we're substituting that for a D diminish 7, all right? So when peace like a river. Okay, so this gives you a great substitution to add for your 2-5-1 chords. I think it's phenomenal because anything that gets me playing a diminished chord, I just get absolutely happy about, right? Why? Because this is what gets to happen, okay? What a friend. What a friend we have in Jesus. Forget even playing the G minor chord, right? Let's just think of that dominant 7 substitution. What a friend we have in Jesus. Okay? Or the same song, 10,000 Reasons. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh my gosh. Anything that gets me playing a diminished chord gets me happy. It as well. When peace like a river. Oh my gosh. All right? Because I get to think within the diminished scale. So I can put diminished scale chords over that. Diminished scale runs over that. All right? So that's why I like this sharp 5 substitution for the dominant 5 chord. All right? Thanks so much for watching. If you like content like this, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, if you want to learn the piano in a step-by-step process, go ahead and check out my website, play-creatively.com, where you can find everything you need to grow as a piano player. Currently, I have an apprentice membership going on, and you can learn with me and then as my schedule becomes more full, you move on to our other teachers, all right? So if you wanna learn from me, go ahead and check it out right now, all right? Until next time, keep watching, keep learning, and we'll all keep growing together. I'll see you guys next week.